Hello everyone. Today I would like to share some secrets of exterior lighting in D5 Render. Let's start with some terminologies. Daylight system. The daylight system is made up of sun and sky. In D5 Render, it is also known as geosky. Let's learn more terminology. Sun angle. This is the angle between sun and the horizontal line. We can simply call it the time of day. In D5 Render, we can adjust the time of day by simply moving the sun icon. If we need the exact time of day, we can manually enter the time. So, what time of day works best for exterior visualization? Well, it depends on the purpose of the visualization. Golden hour. It occurs during the first hour after sunrise and the last hour before sunset. If the purpose is marketing or promotion, golden hour is the best time to attract viewers. For design presentations and discussions, golden hour is usually not appropriate. Because of the color temperature, the entire scene gets a yellow color cast, and the materials may not be represented accurately. In this situation, setting the time to around 9 AM would be better. Sun direction. It refers to the changing position of the sun in the sky throughout the day and year. In D5 Render, you can adjust the sun direction by changing the north offset. So, why does this matter? We need to know the difference between shape and form first. This is just an irregular hexagonal shape. If we add tonal variations, it creates a form called a cube. Let's imagine this building as a cube. The north offset creates tonal variations by adjusting the highlights and shadows. If there is no tonal variation, the lighting will look flat. Let's discuss about tonal variation. It refers to the range of light and dark shades used to create depth and form. More tonal variation creates more contrast. Less tonal variation creates less contrast and more harmonic effect. Light and shadow. There are two types of shadow, hard shadow and soft shadow. Direct lighting produces hard shadows and increases tonal variation. Ambient lighting creates soft shadows and reduces tonal variation. If you want stronger contrast, direct light is a good choice. For a more harmonious lighting result, use a low contrast HDRI. Moreover, proper landscaping is important since tree shadows greatly help create strong compositions. This also helps create interesting visual effects. Once we understand the fundamentals, I'll demonstrate a hybrid workflow to speed up the process. If you have a Pro account, you can use environment and effect presets curated by D5 in D5 Studio. Using the fundamental knowledge I mentioned, you can select the preset that fits your needs. If you don't have a Pro account, you can just use the AI Atmosphere Match feature. You can choose the image from the provided library. And apply the knowledge you have learned. Moreover, you can upload your own reference photo. You can also use AI Scene Match function from AI Agent. Describe the scene you want and click Generate. This will generate a reference image based on your prompt. Click Apply the atmosphere. Then, we will get this result. I hope this tutorial will help you a lot. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.